Saturday morning, heading to the park. Two people produce two shadows in the sun, echoing the philosophy of love. Here we are, Jurong Lake Garden, a day immersed in nature's embrace. Hubby brought his professional camera to take photos of plants and birds. His passion for photography blends his love for the natural world really well. Guided by the lens of his camera, I noticed this towering tree, exuding its strength as it stretched towards the sky. Moving our eyes from the heavens to the earth, we were so enchanted by the variegated flowers surrounding us. Their abundance, vibrant hues, and myriad species remind us of Saint Therese of Lisieux's famous line in her spiritual autobiography. If every little flower wished to be a rose, nature would lose her spring adornments, and the fields would no longer be enameled with their varied flowers. Isn't our existence akin to that of the little flowers? Each of us possesses our unique beauty, contributing harmoniously to the tapestry of nature. Moving forward, we encountered a pond with many plants on top of it. Hubby explained to me these are the floating wetlands. Plants grow on top of the soil, floating on the waters. Flora and fauna can thrive on these wetlands. The bridge over the wetlands can also move in correspondence to the water level, so a very thoughtful and smart design, in the words of my landscape designer hubby. Looking at the trees and how their branches intertwine as time goes by, it makes me think of the relationship between siblings, how they grow into distinct individuals, yet they are also deeply intertwined, supporting each other and being each other's encouragement. As the oldest among the three, hubby is the big brother, and I see his tender care for his siblings. Pause for a little bit. In this overly busy world, preoccupied with getting and having and achieving, I often ponder the most beautiful thing might just lie in plain sight. Sun, wind, water, turtles swimming, birds chirping, butterflies dancing. Everything in nature is a gift, a beautiful gift from the Creator. As we journeyed onward on the MRT, our hearts were filled with the wonder of nature, remembering to cherish the beauty that surrounds us at every turn.